Good morning, Ms. Rosita Gatmaitan.
Good morning, Madam. I'm Rosita Gatmaitan, 42 years old, single. I'm graduated as a nursing aide. About my working experience, I work here in the Philippines as a babysitter for almost 2 years.
What are the duties and responsibilities of a domestic helper?
The duties and responsibilities of a domestic helper are cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of children, car washing, and taking care of pets.
What do you think the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
For me, the right attitude and characteristics of a domestic helper is hardworking, honest, obedient, and respectful.
Can you tell us the proper way of taking care of newly born baby and children?
The proper way of taking care of newborn baby is to always check baby needs, always looking after the baby, feeding and changing the diaper. About the children, always check and attend the children's needs, preparing food for them and tutoring them if needed.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
In case you make a mistake, what will you do?
I will admit my mistake and say sorry immediately to my employer.
How will you battle homesickness?
I will keep myself busy with the household chores and focus to my work.
What is your message and promise to your future employer?
My dear employer, if you will hire me, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper and promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you for coming, Ms. Rosita Gatmaitan, and good luck.